This is NOAA weather radio station KIH-20. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Huntsville and is transmitted on a frequency of 162.400.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook from days 2. This following message is transmitted at the request of Alabama Emergency Management Agency. There is a problem with computer systems at the Browns Ferry nuclear power plant. These computers are what control all reactors at the plant, and is unknown at this time what is causing these issues. Officials are looking into this situation at this time, and will provide updates when available. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio, or other news sources as this situation develops. This following message is transmitted at the request of Alabama Emergency Management Agency. It is now confirmed that a group of hackers gained control of the reactor computers at the Browns Ferry nuclear power plant. This is a confirmed terrorist attack at the Browns Ferry nuclear power plant, and their demands are $100,000 in clean unmarked cash, and a SWAT vehicle to cleanly escape the area. If their demands are not met, they intend to cause an intentional meltdown of the entire plant. A voluntary evacuation order has been put into place for areas within a 15-mile radius of the Browns Ferry nuclear power plant. Alabama State Police and SWAT forces are currently en route to the plant to attempt to de-escalate the situation. Stay tuned to radio and news sources as this situation develops. Nuclear power plant warning. Nuclear power plant warning. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. A nuclear emergency has been declared at the Browns Ferry nuclear power plant after a group of hackers gained access to reactor control computers and intentionally caused a total meltdown of all reactors. All nuclear reactors are expected to explode within 30 to 45 minutes. Mandatory evacuation orders have been issued to residents within a 150-mile radius of the Browns Ferry nuclear power plant in Athens, Alabama. To evacuate, have enough essential supplies to last up to 14 days. Supplies should include gas masks rated NBC or CBRN, non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Evacuate immediately.